This video will show you how to customise the quantity of coffee produced from the Smeg Espresso coffee machine. The amount of ground coffee and espresso can be adjusted to suit your preference. For the grind, select either the single or double grind button. Press and hold for 3 seconds. The button will start to flash to indicate the modification has started. When the desired quantity has been reached, press the button selected again. For customising the quantity of espresso produced, follow these same steps with the single or double espresso buttons. The machine will then store these settings and produce these quantities automatically with a single press of a button. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.